You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Assyrian general in the book of Judith. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, biblical names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. In English, the pronunciation: Holofernes. Holofernes. Some may say it as the end with more of a Z sound. Holofernes, or the Americans would say it more as Holofernes. Similar pronunciation though, along the lines always of Holofernes. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.